Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of electric vehicles with the exciting new BYD Dolphin. This compact electric hatchback promises to revolutionize the urban driving experience with its innovative features and stylish design. So buckle up as we explore everything this remarkable vehicle has to offer. And don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So now let's begin. Overview on the BYD Dolphin. The BYD Dolphin is an all-electric compact hatchback that combines modern aesthetics with advanced technology, designed for those who want value for efficiency and sustainability. The Dolphin offers an exceptional balance of performance, efficiency, and practicality. It's perfect for eco-conscious drivers navigating busy city streets. The design and build of the BYD Dolphin is a sleek aerodynamic design with smooth lines and a bold front end that exudes confidence and contemporary style. Stylish LED headlights and taillights not only enhances visibility but also add to the car's modern appeal. The body is also constructed with high-strength materials, ensuring durability and safety. The attention to detail is evident, with features like flush door handles that pop out when needed and retract to maintain a smooth body surface. Inside, the BYD Dolphin offers a modern and comfortable experience. The cabin is spacious for a compact car, featuring high-quality materials throughout. The minimalistic dashboard includes a large touchscreen display that serves as the command center for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle sitting. The seats are upholstered in an eco-friendly synthetic leather, combining comfort and with sustainability. The panoramic sunroof enhances the overall sense of space and luxury. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the BYD Dolphin is equipped with an efficient electric motor that delivers quick acceleration and smooth driving experience. It offers an impressive range, ideal for city commutes and short trips. The Dolphin is powered by the BYD's advanced battery technology, known for its safety, reliability, and long lifespan. The battery management system ensures optimal efficiency and longevity, while regenerative braking helps to extend the range further by converting kinetic energy back into electrical energy during braking. And the BYD Dolphin supports fast charging, allowing you to reach 80% battery capacity in just 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. This makes it convenient for quick top-ups on the go. Additionally, the Dolphin supports home charging with its AC standard charger, which can fully charge the battery overnight. This flexibility ensures you have multiple options for keeping your vehicle charged and ready to go. Technology and features of the BYD Dolphin. The BYD Dolphin is packed with advanced technology to enhance your driving experience. The infotainment system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. The voice control feature allows you to manage various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety is a top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a rear view camera, providing peace of mind in every journey. The Dolphin comes equipped with a suite of driver assist technologies, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. The Dolphin also features an intelligent parking assist system, which can help you park in tight spaces with ease. The system uses sensors and cameras to guide the vehicle into a parking spot, taking the stress out of parking in a busy urban areas. As an all-electric vehicle, the BYD Dolphin significantly reduces your carbon footprint. By choosing the Dolphin, you are contributing to a cleaner environment and promoting sustainable transportation. It It's a step forward for a greener future. Additionally, the BYD has implemented sustainable manufacturing practices, ensuring that the production of the BYD Dolphin has a minimalistic environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability extends from the factory floor to the vehicles on the road. Let's talk about smart connectivity. The BYD Dolphin is designed to keep you connected. The integrated smart connectivity features allow you to control various aspects of the car remotely through the mobile app. You can check the battery status, start the climate control, and even locate your vehicle, all from your smartphone. And the app also provides real-time updates on charging status and can help you find the nearest charging station. With smart connectivity, you will have complete control over your vehicle no matter where you are. The driving experience of the BYD Dolphin. The BYD Dolphin is not just about efficiency, it's also about delivering an enjoyable driving experience. The smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and quiet operation make every drive pleasant. The low center of gravity, thanks to the placement of the battery pack, ensures stability and handling. Customizable driving modes allow you to tailor the performance to your preference, whether you want to feel a more sporty feel or more relaxed ride. You can choose from modes like Eco, Normal, and Sport, each offering a unique driving experience. In conclusion, the BYD Dolphin is a standout in the electric vehicle market, offering a perfect blend of stylish performance and technology. Whether you are an eco-conscious driver, a tech enthusiast, or someone looking for a reliable and stylish ride, the Dolphin has something for everyone. With its impressive range, fast charging capabilities, and state-of-the-art features, the BYD Dolphin is ready to redefine your urban driving experience. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle choice that reflects your commitment to sustainable and cutting-edge technology. And well, that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.